More news coming in this morning has got to do with the controversy over the abuse to the Prime Minister. BJP attacks Tejasvi Yadav, says why no apology from Tejasvi yet? Tejasvi incited the abuse of Modi. RJD of course has denied these allegations, says the video that has been put out by the BJP is fake. Rohit has more. Rohit, in fact, the BJP going all guns blazing against the opposition right here in the state of Bihar, and this matter is getting raked up in the run-up to the elections during the course of the campaign, as well as what we're seeing right here.
Well, yes, it is not the first time that the Prime Minister or his mother has been abused. Few weeks back, we saw that similar thing happened in Darbhanga also during voter Adhikar Yatra of Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav. And now, a couple of days back, when the Bihar Adhikar Yatra of Tejasvi was going on, again a video went viral where abusers were being hurled at Prime Minister and his late mother. And now, when this has happened for the second time, BJP has again wrecked up this issue and says that it is Lalu Prasad and the family who are deliberately letting abusers being hurled at Prime Minister and her mother. And they are demanding that Tejasvi Yadav, in fact, should apologize for whatever has happened. But RJD remains completely defiant. They are claiming that the video that has went viral is completely doctored and nothing of that sort happened. But very interesting is the fact that, let me tell you, that two members of the Lalu family has also hit out at this video. In fact, the person who have allegedly abused the Prime Minister and the mother. Tej Pratap Yadav has said that FIR should be registered against the person who has abused the Prime Minister's mother, and both the state and the centre should take action. So basically, Tej Pratap appearing to be siding with the Prime Minister Modi here, and also Tej Pratap's elder sister Rohini Acharya has also lashed out at people who have abused the Prime Minister's mother and says that this kind of language was completely acceptable. So this matter of hurling abuse is becoming a political agenda also ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections. Back to you.
Leaving it at that for the moment, Rohit Singh getting asked those details. Remember, that is a controversy that clearly isn't dying down anytime soon, with the BJP raising that matter once again. The Prime Minister has been abused in public. This time, the Prime Minister was allegedly abused by RJD supporters at Tejasvi's rally. Bihar BJP posted the video of Tejasvi holding the rally and a supporter abusing Modi in the background. The BJP has alleged that in spite of the incident unfolding in front of Tejasvi Yadav, we did not try and stop the RJD supporters. Right there, that's the video that has been put out. This incident has raked, of course, a massive political storm in the poll-bound state. Here's the complete report.
Weeks to go for the Bihar Assembly elections. Gali politics has hit a new low. Prime Minister Modi and his late mother have been abused from the opposition stage yet again. Last month, abuses were hurled at PM Modi and his mother during the joint rally of Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav in Bihar's Darbhanga. This time, BJP has posted a video of alleged abuse being hurled at Modi and his mother at a rally of Tejasvi Yadav in Bihar's Vaishali. The alleged abuses were hurled while Tejasvi Yadav was present on the stage. BJP attacked the Yadav scion for not stopping his cadre while they used derogatory language against the Prime Minister and his late mother.
लालू जी के जमाने में जो बदतमीजी हुआ करता था, वो राहुल गांधी ने दरभंगा के मंच पे किया, ये वैशाली जिले के मंच पे किया।
विकास के भगीरथ को तुम गाली दे रहे हो, उनकी पूजनीय माता जी को गाली दे रहे हो। राजनीति के अखाड़े में तुम्हारा समर नाश बिहार की जनता करेगी। लालू परिवार ने तो शायद अपना शिष्टाचार और संस्कार ही बना लिया है गाली गलौज का, जंगल राज का, भ्रष्टाचार का।
This is the second instance of PM Modi being abused by the opposition. However, RJD has rubbished all these claims and has alleged that the video posted by BJP is fabricated and edited to malign the party.
भाजपा की बेचैनी बढ़ गई है, इसीलिए भाजपा द्वारा तरह तरह के कुचक्र और प्रपंच किए जा रहे हैं, जिससे इस यात्रा को बदनाम किया जा सके। जिस वीडियो के बारे में कहा जा रहा है यह तेजस्वी जी की सभा का वीडियो है, उस वीडियो देखने से ही लगता है कि यह एडिटेड वीडियो है।
PM Modi has condemned the Gali politics and disapproved dragging of his late mother, who was apolitical.
कांग्रेस आरजेडी के मंच से भद्दी गाली केवल मेरी मां को नहीं दी गई है, ये भद्दी भद्दी गाली करोड़ों माताओं बहनों को दी गई है। एक गरीब मां की तपस्या ये शाही खानदानों में पैदा हुए युवराज नहीं समझ सकते।
Will the abuse politics impact Bihar polls? With Karan Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.